Hi there, I'm Mr. D. You know, the world is full of color. Let's learn how to assign different colors we see every day. Let's begin with the color red. Red. This apple is red. These roses are red. This fire engine is red too. Red. Blue. The sky is blue. This bird is blue. The planet Uranus is blue too. Blue. Yellow. Bananas are yellow. This taxi is yellow. Corn is yellow too. Yellow. Green. Grass is green. This frog is green. Leaves on this tree are green too. Green. Orange. A pumpkin is orange. This fish is orange. Carrots are orange too. Orange. Purple. Violets are purple. This onion is purple. Plums are purple too. Purple. Brown. This box is brown. This bear is brown. Some people have brown eyes too. Brown. Pink. Tongues are pink. These roses are pink. This balloon is pink too. Pink. Black. Coal is black. Crows are black. These ants are black too. Black. White. This bunny's fur is white. Snow is white. A polar bear is white too. White. Now, those are some of the colors all around us, but there are many more to see. So open your eyes and you'll be surprised at all the wonderful colors you will see. Good job today. Now you know all of your colors. Thanks for watching. I'm Mr. D. Bye. Bye.